Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Pure accident turned epic. Wow, a double spine idea from a cracker box. Recycled goodies turned genius. You'd never guess it's recycled. Double covers, 2 for the front and 2 for the back, and I used a corner rounder on the edges. The double spine hack. I've never done this before. I've never seen this done. I just grabbed a cracker box from my recycle bin and said, how do I create a 2 1/4 inch spine? And as you can see here, I was gonna cut, and then I'm like, no, but wait a minute, I think I can do something different. And you're seeing how this completely evolved into something organic. You'll need double-sided tape. I'm using 1/2 inch to adhere the top spine to the bottom spine. Now I used Bodahlia Kit Pages to cover the inside spine and the outer part of the spine. Then I used 1/2 inch double-sided tape on the outer flaps, and they will secure the front and the back covers. The pocket reveal. You're going to glue the bottom edges of the flaps that you did not seal, and you're going to insert your envelopes for tuck spots, journaling spots, and again using some of the add-ons from the Bodahlia kit. And you'll see also how on the back cover I also have the second pocket with envelope, tuck spots, another journaling spot. I surely hope that you'll enjoy the Bodahlia kit that's on my Ko-Fi site. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for your time.